Welcome back student to computer science class. I'm Amitabh Ghosh from Great Mission Public School, Himmatpur block. I hope you are understanding your chapter that is on application of IT in ITeS industry. So in the previous two lecture series, I have discussed gave you introduction about what is ICT and ITeS services. Then in second day I tried to explain about the applications of IT, in which area those applications are used, what are the type of applications that we were using. And in today's lecture series, which is the last day, we would be discussing about use of IT in diagnosis, that is in hospital management system. So without wasting our time, let's dive into the session of computer science. In today's topic, I would be discussing about healthcare, then research and development in engineering and government sectors. So this is the final day of today's lecture on application of IT in ITeS industry. Student, you might have heard this word healthcare. Well, healthcare, as the word clearly states, that we humans are continuously in a strive of making a development for us, for ourselves, for our society. If we fall ill or if we fall sick, then our disease or the germs are to be diagnosed to find the root cause of our health. So healthcare industry is normally administered by the hospital management system, where there are different type of IT technologies used in healthcare. What are those type of technologies? Electronic health records, clinical decision support using up-to-date clinical guidelines, patients engagement tool, computerized appointments with doctors, laboratory and medical imaging information system, health information exchanges, and medical device. So these are the main area of technologies that they are focusing in healthcare industry. Now, diagnostic, the word diagnostic means to find out the root cause of your health. If you are infected by a virus, if your health degrades, then there are different type of roles IT is playing to find the root cause of your health. So what are the key roles they are playing? It captures information about the patient's diagnostic process, including the clinical history and interview, physical examination and diagnostic testing results, shaping a clinical's workflow and decision making in diagnostic process, and facilitating information exchange. So these are the main areas where diagnostic process are being taken care by IT. Now, different type of hardware device and the software applications are used to diagnose the process in a human body. So these hardwares may be different type of electronic or electrical machines. You might have heard about few of the popular machine, which is CAT scan, CT scan, MRI. So these machines are used to diagnose the life-threatening disease, to find the root cause of the disease, why, how it has emerged, what are the type of activities they are doing in human body. So you might have come across few more machines like ECG electrocardiogram, which is solely based for checking heartbeat rate, whether the heart is operating in a normal state or in an irregular state. A plot of chart can be shown in the monitor or in a paper where a strip of signals are operating in a sequence. Then you might also have seen a blood sugar testing machine and blood pressure measuring machine. Blood sugar machine is used to check the concentration of glucose in the blood, also called glucometer, and blood pressure machine is used to check the pressure of the blood, whether the patient is having low blood sugar or high blood sugar. The next area of improvement is scientific research and engineering, where science is interrelated with engineering and technology. The main key area of development where engineers and technicians are in a continuous strive to make better improvement of technologies to make device advanced device for making different type of complex calculations. Some of the applications of IT that are used in this area of scientific and research to make large complex calculations, including and calculating the speed of cost, distance, explorations, making a real-time recording systems for observation, analysis, and collaborations. Apart from these applications, IT has also used for storing large amount of data for scientific research, performing complex calculations. Computer aided design applications is used to make complex system. Computer aided manufacturing applications are used to increase the productivity of the device. Then simulating and testing the design means in a virtual environment they test different type of machines, they test different type of applications which looks like real systems, but it is operate and diagnose in a virtual environment where you have to wear a glass to which creates an environment, a virtual environment, and when you wear that glass it looks like that you're using or seeing that environment in a real form. And the last one is IT in government and public service. So in a government also large scale of computer applications are used in daily operations. Digital India and e-governance are one of the key areas where government has initiate their process. Driving license, Aadhaar card issuing, voting or the election commission card are in a continuous process of recording citizens data and generating and issuing of those cards to the citizens. Other than government, non-government organizations are also playing their role, as well as international government agency uses different type of computer applications to communicate and provides better services to the people. So these type of e-services by the government is known as e-governance. Some of the digital applications are used like Bheem, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, GST Rate Finder, Umang, and My Government. These are the few apps through which they speed up their services and empower the citizens of India doing different type of digital transactions, making different type of reports, checking sale tax information of citizen. So all these type of applications are used in IT in different type of government services. During election time, you might have seen EVM, also called as electronic voting machines. Those are electronic machines with having a different type of applications. And finally, government and public services are there where IT has taken an important responsibility, has emerged as an important tool. So that is it for today's session, and after the end of this chapter I will give you the exercise part. I will mark some points of these exercise. Please check it out from the ebook I have provided, and if you have already purchased a book, please go through it. I will highlight answers, I will highlight page numbers. Please check please check those page numbers given in your ebook or the book that you have purchased from the market. And if you have any problem in any of the topic that you are not able to understand, please get in touch with me so that I will also check and try to resolve your query. So that is it. See you in the next video.